Today, we proudly introduced the MIG-350 PRO, a 3-phase 220V welding machine, built for effortless handling of heavy industrial tasks. This exceptional machine incorporates a full digital control system, providing you with the freedom to independently adjust welding parameters. You can fine-tune the settings according to your specific welding needs, delivering flawless results every time. This multifunctional welding machine allows you to seamlessly switch between different welding processes. With its external 20 kilograms wire spool, this machine ensures uninterrupted welding operations for extended periods. Now, let's witness the MIG-350 PRO's welding power in action. Whether it's MIG/MAG, Flux-Cored, or MMA welding, this machine tackles each process with precision and finesse. From heavy industrial projects to intricate fabrication work, the MIG-350 PRO handles it all with ease.